Hey everybody, what's up? We are back with another video. You think you know lemons? I mean, they're yellow, they're sour, you put them in your water. Wrong. These 10 weird facts about lemons will leave you feeling zesty. Get ready to have your mind blown, people, because we're about to dive deep into the wonderful world of lemons. Alright, first up, we're going back in time, like way back. Picture this, the vast, uncharted oceans, the creaking wooden ships, and the brave souls who dared to sail them. We're talking powdered wigs, pirates, and the dreaded scourge of the seas, scurvy. You get the picture, right? Life on these ships was tough, and scurvy was a constant threat. Back in the 1700s, sailors relied on lemons to stay healthy. These little yellow fruits were their lifeline. Without them, many would have succumbed to the debilitating effects of scurvy. Scurvy was a huge problem on long voyages, causing weakness, gum disease, and even death. But lemons, with their high vitamin C content, were like the magic cure. They could prevent and even reverse the symptoms of scurvy. They were so valuable that ships were practically stuffing their holds with lemons like they were gold doubloons. Imagine that, lemons being as precious as gold. They were essential for the survival of the crew. I guess you could say lemons were the real treasure. In fact, the importance of lemons was so great that entire voyages were planned around ensuring a steady supply. They were the unsung heroes of the high seas, keeping sailors alive and voyages on course. So next time you see a lemon, remember its incredible history. It wasn't just a fruit, it was a lifesaver, a treasure more precious than gold to those brave sailors of the past. Okay, get this. Lemons can power a battery. No, seriously, it's like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's totally true. The citric acid in lemons, combined with a couple of metal electrodes, can actually create electricity. I'm talking about a real working battery, powered by a lemon. I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty mind-blowing. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this next one is a real zinger. Did you know that lemons can glow in the dark? You heard me right. Glow. It's all thanks to these things called phosphors in lemon juice. When you shine UV light on them, they light up like a Christmas tree. It's like magic, but with more citrus. The very confusing truth about lemons. Okay, time for a little botany lesson. Prepare to have your minds blown again, because lemons are berries. Yes, you heard that right. Those yellow sour things we know and love are technically classified as berries. Why? Because science. Apparently it all comes down to how they develop and their internal structure. Who knew? The mother of all lemons. Ever wonder how big a lemon can get? Well, get ready to be amazed. The world's largest lemon weighed in at a whopping 11.9 pounds. That's like the size of a small watermelon. This monster lemon was grown in Israel, and I can only imagine the lemonade they made with it. Probably enough to quench the thirst of a small village. Lemons, from kitchen to spy. All right, time for a little espionage. During World War II, spies used lemon juice as invisible ink. I know, right? It sounds crazy, but it's true. When you write with lemon juice and let it dry, the message disappears. But here's the kicker. If you heat the paper up, the message magically reappears. It's like something out of a spy movie. Ever notice how lemons float in water but limes sink? It's one of life's little mysteries, like why cats love boxes or why we can't tickle ourselves. But there's actually a scientific reason for this. Lemons have more air pockets in their peel, which makes them buoyant. Limes, on the other hand, are denser and sink like a stone. Science. Lemons, nature's mood booster. Feeling stressed? Life got you down? Well, grab a lemon. No, seriously. The scent of lemons has been shown to boost mood and reduce stress. It's like aromatherapy, but with a citrusy twist. The smell of lemons triggers the release of serotonin in your brain, which is basically a happy hormone. So next time you're feeling down, just give a lemon a sniff. The gift that keeps on giving. Unlike other fruit trees that only produce fruit once a year, lemon trees are like the Energizer Bunny of the plant world. These bad boys can produce fruit all year round. That's right, a constant supply of fresh lemons, no matter the season. It's like having a little slice of sunshine in your backyard all year long. Lemons, the tiny fruit that cleans like a beast. Last but not least, let's talk about lemon superpowers. These vibrant yellow fruits are not just for adding zest to your dishes or making refreshing lemonade. They are packed with cleaning prowess that can transform your household chores. These little guys are like natural cleaning agents. Their acidic nature makes them perfect for tackling tough stains and grime. Plus, they leave a fresh, citrusy scent that can brighten up any room. Lemon juice has antibacterial properties, which is why it's often used in cleaning products. The citric acid in lemons can break down grease and kill bacteria, making it a powerful ally in your cleaning arsenal. But you don't need fancy chemicals to harness the power of lemons. Simply squeezing fresh lemon juice can do wonders. It's a natural, eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. You can use lemon juice to clean your countertops, deodorize your fridge, and even remove stubborn stains from cutting boards. Just a few drops can make a big difference. And let's not forget about your sink. A quick scrub with lemon juice can make it sparkle like new. The acidity helps to dissolve mineral deposits and soap scum, leaving your sink gleaming. It's like having a little army of cleaning ninjas in your fruit bowl. These tiny fruits are versatile, effective, and all natural. So next time you're faced with a tough cleaning task, reach for a lemon and let its natural power do the work. Stay zesty, my friends. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of lemons, uncovering 10 weird and wonderful facts that are sure to make you appreciate this citrus fruit even more. From their surprising origins to their incredible versatility, lemons truly are a marvel of nature. Whether you're using them in your cooking, cleaning, or even science experiments, there's no denying the zest they bring to our lives. Which fact surprised you the most? Was it the ancient origins of lemons, or perhaps the fact that they can power a small electronic device? Speaking of which, have you ever tried the lemon battery experiment? It's a fun and educational activity that demonstrates the power of citrus in a whole new way. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of the lemon facts or experiments we discussed today. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing content. Your support helps us continue to bring you fun and informative videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay zesty, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep enjoying the little wonders of life. See you soon.